Hello, welcome back to QA Vũ channel. Today I would like to open outdoor apply for the world. So this one we have installed with the leg light. So it the lies 5 or 6 years. So now it's the I think his die. That means for it's not working. So we have to buy another one. But I look only in the online. They have the same with this one. This one I like it. It's very nice. But when I came to Home Depot, I cannot buy the same one. So I'm looking for another one with the leg slide too. So today I would like to open box. The other line is not similar with this line, so I will show you the open box with this one and easy how to reach relays. And today I will speak bilingual language. Chào mừng quý vị các bạn đã trở lại với kênh của QA Vũ ha. Hôm nay thì cái know-how là mình sẽ open box cái đèn bên ngoài ở cái deck quý vị các bạn. Cái đèn này thì nó bị hư rồi, nó chắc khoảng 5-6 năm gì đó nó hư rồi. Bây giờ mình mua một cái đèn khác. Bây giờ thì mời quý vị các bạn. Ok, let's see. Mời quý vị các bạn nha. Okay, so now I bought two lights. One it is the Bionic sports light. This one is no battery, no wires. That means we don't need to install by the wire or battery. We can install this in the dark area, in the driveway or stair up or outside. This one I will open too. But the main thing, I will open this one. This one is a medium exterior leg work. They said that okay, is iron furnace, clear racket glass, no burn to relay. Cái đèn này quý vị các bạn là mình sẽ nó xài bằng đèn led cho nên nó không cần phải sử dụng bằng có nghĩa là không cần bóng các bạn ha. Ok, which one I like this one because it's no this is a leg. So now we open this one, see what inside. Sorry, this one is a little bit here. Open. Okay. We have. Oh my goodness, this one a little bit. I don't know they are you or not you. I don't know. So we have. Oh, I don't have. I have the nail. Put it out. Okay. I don't know this one. Someone you or the delay or not. Someone we cannot. Okay. Okay. Open it. First we have the manual. The model is a Lex KB08304. Here the number and the item. Here we open now. Open this. Okay, you can see this one. Yeah, here. I think they have the legs here. You can see. Yeah, I like this one because we don't need to change. but the problem that it is auto or not. I don't think it's auto or not. Here we have the wires here, and yeah, this one open. Yeah, this one is maybe smaller than the other one. This is, but it's look nice. And the problem that they have a hole over here, so it's ready if some bird can go inside this one. But it's, don't worry, it's okay. But it looks very nice. Here, just small, a little bit heavy. Okay, we don't care this one. So we have this one. Okay, so first, okay. Mình sẽ mở cái này ra các bạn ha. Cái đèn này cũng khá là đẹp, khá là đẹp. Đây là cái đèn nè. Cái mình thích nhất là nó không có bóng, mình có xài bằng cái này. Rồi để xem, nhìn bên ngoài khá là đẹp. Bây giờ mình sẽ mở cái này. Cái này thì mình gắn ở chỗ khác và chúng mình gắn ở đây. They have seal already seal here. Okay, can open this seal. Open this one. Okay. Okay. Put it out. Oh, this one. This one have this, and this. They have this one too. Okay. This one you can make in a wall, or you can put it in the rounds. Here they have a. Here. It's okay. It looks nice. It have a leg. So is this on the right way, on the stair, you can put this one. I think it's better. Okay, so I will try it. And how see it work. Oh, this one, they have this one too. They have this one. This one they use for the rounds. You can put this one here, and here, this one. Oh yes, you can use this. It's very good. Cái này mình có thể cắm xuống dưới đất được các bạn ha, cắm dưới đất rồi nhảy được. Có cái đường cho cái đường đi vô. Nhìn cũng khá là đẹp các bạn ha. Này bán 19 đồng các bạn. Nó có cái chế độ on off đây nè, sensor, off on off on. Đó. Ok. Thì bây giờ mình sẽ thay cái đèn các bạn ha. Rồi nếu mà có cái gì good thì mình sẽ chia sẻ với quý vị các bạn. Ok, so just very quick to review and open two lights. One is outside lights. This is one is solar. This one is solar. This is solar, and this one we have to light automatic. So okay, we will see you later after I finish this one. So I will show you how the light is working. So thank you so much for your watching and see you in next video. Cảm ơn tất cả các bạn rất là nhiều đã luôn xem các cái video mà gọi là know how về quick review, quick open. Và cái này thì mình mua ở trên chợ Depot các bạn ha. This is I bought it from Home Depot. Okay, but now in Home Depot or Lowe's you can buy everything. Okay, thank you so much for your watching again, and see you in next video. Thank you. Hope this video will be useful. Okay, bye bye.